Hi guys, this is yet another video. I made it to the city center of Kigali. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Yeah, I took a border and this is how it looks like. Super clean, super green. It's so amazing. So let's explore the city center. We might not be able to finish today, but you know, where I will stop, that is it. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. So basically I'm looking for a place to buy my the SIM card. you know I haven't had a chance to buy a SIM card. And another thing as well is I'm looking for a place to do my hair. Okay, so those are the things that brought me to the city center. So as we look for those two things today, let's explore the city center. So my first impression of the city center is that it is amazing. I'm loving it. See for yourself. Let me just take one round from here. So this is how the city center look like. I don't know what is the name of this street, but as time goes I'll be able to ask someone probably. I'm not sure, is that a mall or something? Not sure about that, but let's see. I can see this is the Bank of Kigali. Yeah, so I think this way. I'm just going around. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just looking for a place to buy a SIM card and a place to do my hair. Yeah, because why not? I mean in Africa I can do my hair. It's a little bit affordable, and they know how to do it very well, the way I want. Yeah. So this is the city center in Kigali, Rwanda. So I'm just stuck here trying to look for where I can buy a SIM card, and I've seen M-Pesa somewhere. Let me see. There is M-Pesa somewhere there. You can see that. This is M-Pesa in Kigali, Rwanda. We use M-Pesa in Kenya as well. So I think I'm going to go there and see what they have, if I can be able to buy a SIM card there. So let's cross the road. I need to be very careful. Yeah, managed. Yeah, so I'm looking for a place to buy a SIM card, and I have seen an M-Pesa somewhere. So let's go there and see. So this way. So this is, I think I can get something from here. Yeah, M-Pesa is here, so let's go. I was not lucky to get a SIM card there, so I need to look for a place. I don't know where. So let me see if I can get somewhere. So this is Rwanda City Center. I need to cross the road to go to the other side. So let's see. Let me see if I can buy a SIM card here. So guys, I am in the city center in Kigali, Rwanda. I'm sweating already. Oh my goodness. So I'm looking for a SIM card. It's been like almost 15 minutes, but I didn't get. So I've been directed to go to the market, a place where I can get there. So I hope I will get this time around, because I have two things to do today in the city. I need to do my hair, you know, like that. And another thing, I need to buy a SIM card, because I need to be able to use data whenever I am outside, okay? Or maybe communicate in case I get lost. But I'm not gonna get lost, of course, yeah? So let's go together and do these errands, yeah? So I've been informed to go to the market. I think it is this way. Guys, another thing you will experience is how clean this place is. It has been swept. Like seriously, there is no dirt. Can you believe that? See the floor or the ground. Is it the ground, the floor? Yeah. So this is how it looks like. It's very, very clean. This is, I think I'm approaching the busiest street in here in the city center of Kigali, Rwanda. As you can see, there are lots of motors, a lot of people going up and down. I need to be very, very careful, because of course, you know, yeah. So wish me luck. I think these guys are crossing, so I have to wait. I need to be very, very careful. My friend, don't hit me, yeah? I'm used to saying my friend. The Indian kind of style, my friend. Yeah, they don't understand that, yeah. So I think I'm approaching the busiest street here. And guys, if you are following me, I'm still holding my camera with me. No one has questioned me anything, like even, you know, snatching or anything. It's very, very secure here. So I think I'm going to cross to the other side. But I think I'm going to ask someone, because I am getting lost already. Or maybe this way, no. So I've been told it's around this side. So yeah. So everyone is talking to me the Kinyarwanda language. It's funny because they say I look like them. Interesting. So, hi, Soko where?
Soko.
Yes. Soko, this one. So entry here. Okay. So guys, I'm asking someone to direct me to Soko. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Soko is market, yeah. So they use the same word in Swahili as well. So Soko is Soko in Kenya, and it means market in English. So I think this is the place. Finally, it's done. As you can see, they did a very good job. I love it. My eyes are red. I slept because it took almost 3 hours, you know. But I'm happy with the results. As you can see, it's so good. Yeah. Hi guys, I just finished with changing my SIM card. So this is the location, the MTN. So let me just show you around this place. I am still in the city center, and this is how it looks like. The weather is very good. I love this view so far. Let me show you. Okay. And as you can see, it's busy. People are moving around. Yeah. And I just noticed there is a bus station somewhere there. Let me just show you if I can zoom. I'm not gonna go there today, but that is a bus station. Yeah. So next time I will be able to show you the bus stop. So that's a bus station. So for now, I think it's time for me to go back. I'm done for today. Yeah, so we will be going this way. Guys, I haven't eaten anything since morning. This is a very interesting. So let's go look for somewhere to eat, and then we call it a day. Yeah, so let me just show you a bit of this place from this far. We are going up, guys. Rwanda is a city of 1,000 hills. So as you can see, we are moving like up. It's like a hill, yeah, let's say so. So yeah, let me move along with you as I look for a place to eat, and as I show you around Kigali city. So let me show you, this is how it looks like. So this is the other side of the place. Guys, it is super crowded, I think, because it's evening time. Everyone is going, and of course we are in the city center in Kigali, Rwanda. As you can see, oh my goodness, it's super busy, guys. Motorbikes, people moving around, you know. Yeah, so let me show you this other side. Here in Kigali, guys, there is some nice buildings. Let me show you this. Yeah, so, and sorry, I'm not sure where I'm going, but I'm looking for a place to eat. If I get tired, I think I'm going to take a border. You can see, like, it's a little bit crowded. And guys, what I love about here, no one cares about anyone, you know. So yeah, guys, I'm still in the city, just moving around, trying to look for a place to eat. I just finished changing money, and I put money on the mobile, so it will be easier for me, like, to pay, to do transactions over the phone, because carrying a lot of money, I mean, like $100 is like a lot of money. So now I've changed, I bought a SIM card, I've changed money, so it's gonna be easier for me if I need to buy something, you know. It's gonna be very easy. So it will be like mobile money, mobile transactions, like M-Pesa in Kenya. In Kenya, actually, we do that. We don't do like mostly cash. We pay everything. Most of the things, I think 90% of the things, we pay using mobile, you know. So that's the same thing here in Kigali, Rwanda. I haven't seen that in many places. Most of the places, they use a card. But I think the mobile money is the easiest one, you know. See that? Yeah. So I want to cross the road. I'm just trying to be very careful, you know. Yeah, I'm crossing the road. Guys, I'm in Kigali, Rwanda city center. This is how it is at this time. Guys, no one is bothering anyone, you know. Yeah, I'm really like tired because of walking, you know. As I mentioned, this place is a city of hills, 1,000 hills, so it's like I'm going up, down, up, down. It's a lot of exercise today. I don't know if I will be able to wake up tomorrow morning, interestingly. That is me. My hair is rocking, you know. Yeah, so I'm just trying to look for a place to eat. and I call it a day, you know. Wish me luck. From West Africa to my people.
Okay, I'm Emmanuel.
Hello, Emmanuel. How are
Yeah,
you? Yeah.
I love East Africa. All the art I am.
Unaongea Kiswahili? You don't speak Swahili?
No.
Also English and Rwanda. And French?
Oh, yes, some little bit.
Okay. So tell me,
No. What is your name first and foremost?
Catherine.
That's it.
Yeah, Catherine.
And then?
Yeah, and how do
Now,
you
where is your
say?
Tarina?
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same. I'm trying to make it look nice. I'm trying to make it
No.
look nice.
I've come to like you. My
And,
accent,
yeah.
Gendo Musaza.
Tanza.
Musaza, it means an old man.
Okay. Alright. Okay.
Then,
So tell me to say hello in Rwanda.
In Rwanda.
Yeah.
Oraho.
Braho. Ineza. What is Ineza?
No, Ineza.
Ineza. Okay. It's Ineza. Okay.
Udo gate.
Okay. Alright. That one I will not forget. Ineza. That's like thank you.
Thank you, Murakoze.
Murakuzi. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Murakuzi.
Murakoze.
Okay.
Thank you.
And Ineza.
There is thank you and many thanks.
Okay. So Ineza is like many thanks.
Yeah.
Okay. Murakuzi.
Then which kind of lady are you working?
So guys, unfortunately, I'm seated here in this restaurant. I was really comfortable, and unfortunately, this guy is telling me there is nothing to eat. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Give me anything cold. I want to drink something cold. Yeah. Yeah, sure. So I will drink something cold because it's really hot outside, and I've been walking, like from down somewhere, I don't even remember, up to here. But after this, I think it's better to go back to my area. I think there is a restaurant somewhere where I can sit there and eat something. Yeah. So guys, otherwise, thank you so much for watching up to this end. Let me know what you think about this video. I hope to see you in the next one. There are more videos coming up, lined up for you from Kigali, Rwanda, and outside Rwanda as well. Alright, keep it locked. See you soon. Bye.